that's why we have the lowest price printers in the market for a printer that can print an entire house. Right now, currently, right now, today, I have a 35 by 35 in stock and a 3550 in stock. Thank goodness, the printer's a one-time purchase. It's an expensive piece of equipment, but it does something that nothing else can do. What you're wanting to do is get equipment that will give you a long-term advantage over traditional construction methods. And this printer does it like no other. Wow, things are getting crazy right now with these tariffs everywhere. A lot of stuff's going to be impacted. The phone is going crazy with buyers that realize with the 35% tariffs on Canada, when so much lumber comes from there, they are trying to get out in front of what undoubtedly is going to be a tremendous increase in lumber prices. So they're looking how to produce a home when building materials, electronics, appliances, so much stuff. Nevertheless, we're out in front of this. I went to India 2 times last year. I was there a total of 6 weeks looking because I anticipate there might be some challenges with China moving forward. They're calling us for a couple reasons. Number one, do we have printers that are in stock right now that they can purchase without experiencing the increase in price that's coming, because all of our trussing that we use for our printers comes from China. Different components, electronics, all the different things that we try to bring in. That's why we have the lowest price printers in the market for a printer that can print an entire house without moving it 27 times with these little printers, So we do right now, currently, right now, today, I have a 35 by 35 in stock and a 3550 in stock. We don't even know what the impact is entirely going to be, as it's kind of like COVID time when we couldn't get anything from any place. It'll take a little bit to stabilize and figure out where we're going to be. Thank goodness, the printer's a one-time purchase. It's an expensive piece of equipment, but it does something that nothing else can do. If you want to make a difference in housing costs, if you want to produce a product with more profits and a lower price than your competition, if you want to dominate your market, it does what nothing else can do. It's like buying an airplane. An airplane's an expensive investment. You try walking from Oregon to Florida, it's a long walk, okay? An airplane makes it very, very quick. It's a one-time upfront purchase, just like a skid steer, just like a track hoe. Try digging your footings without a track hoe. What you're wanting to do is get equipment that will give you a long-term advantage over traditional construction methods. And this printer does it like no other. I felt like this morning we needed to throw something out there that explains what's going on. If we've given you invoicing and pricing before you're going to the bank or whatever else, give us a call. Find out, do we have a machine in stock that was built before the tariffs? Obviously, it's going to be less expensive, and we're going to have to redo invoicing for once we get an idea of what our additional costs are going to be short term. Hopefully, a lot of this stuff goes away, but you're a business person, okay? We are as well. We have to anticipate and be out in front of things that are going to impact our businesses. So this is just to let you know. You'll probably see some changes in pricing. Get with us before you're going to the bank, because we don't want to have you start all over again. And let's just stay in close communication as you're going through this process.